So this issue was from the 2015 500 phase Fresnel 5.6 lens. Very good lens, however the tripod foot was a design flaw. I don't know why it's not fixed, and in the later S series mirrorless lenses, 400mm 4.5S, 100 400S, 600 6.3S, and Nikkor Z70 200 2.8S stock Nikon tripod collar. Because of design flaw, this thing will drop if you don't lock it properly. You know, you are not in studio, you accidentally just push this a bit, it slips off. Let me show you. Oh look, I have already locked this. Right, then I'm carrying, tracking, you know, bam, the whole thing drops, smashes on the ground, your equipment, that's it. I locked this already. Okay, lock. Okay, lock. Now I'm walking, tracking, bam. If this thing just loosens itself, that's it. There is no backup holding as a secondary tether, nothing. To all users of these lenses, remove this lousy stock Nikon foot and go for the third-party foots. It's much better. Otherwise, don't even use the crappy stock foot and just hand carry the lens when tracking. It's way safer. And of course, don't sling by the body because the entire pressure will be on here, on the bayonet.